Alright, here's the deal. Been mowing the property after the hurricanes, and a piece of wood came up in here and snapped my valve stem off. So this is the John Deere part number for a 5075E. That rim, RE286038 or 12.5/80-18 NHS tires. So I guess what? 18-inch rim? Don't know. Anyway, that's the John Deere part number. I was able to cross-reference it at Napper to this 90-226. Looks right. And I've already knocked it off the bead with a hammer. I stuck a piece of wood in here to try to pry on it, but that snapped. So at Napa, I went and got this tire spoon. That should make quick work of it. So I'm just gonna stick it in there, pull that wood on out, and then I gotta wrestle this tire off the rim using this pry bar, or tire spoon as they call it. Doing this one-handed, well, two-handed, but record. I don't have a tripod with me. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm using this to hold it and then popping it further and further out with the spoon. Okay, I think she's just gonna come off. There it is. All right. So let's rotate this. There it is right there, actually. Let's get the camera up under there so we can see what it looks like underneath. Okay, get that out. See, it just snapped right off. All right. Take a look at the new one. Okay, I just have that kind of finger tight for now. Just clean up the tire here with some water and the bead, and then we'll try to wrestle this thing back on. You can see a little bit better what I'm trying to do. I ran the other side around with just a damp rag, get any dust, and then I went around the bead of the tire also to try to remove any dust and stuff that I can. All right, so let's take some dish soap now. That might work. Okay, so now this thing can't worm around on me anymore because I got the weight on it. Let's see if it'll let me pop it on now. She might. Man, she's a fighter. Oh man, is she a fighter. But that's the closest I've gotten. I keep finding this. Not good. Let me raise it up a little bit more, get it back in there, and try it again. Geez, I don't know. I don't know about that one. Maybe. The phone keeps overheating, so I don't know how much of it I caught on camera, but I got more than half of it on now. Whew. That was a struggle. I had to lower it. Look how marred up I made it. Had to lower some weight on it to kind of hold the tire. So I'm hoping if I lift up, turn the tire, put the weight down on this side so it can't pop out on me, I can go ahead and get that last bit on, because I can't really lever it because it's on the ground. Fingers crossed. Okay, so now that it's on the rim, we got to get it on the bead. So I'm going to drip some more soap on the inside of the bead. Ratchet this down so that it's tight, and then fill it with air. So let's start with the ratcheting. I don't have 120 volts on the tractor, so I have an inverter, 12-volt inverter that I have wired up with jumper cables. Keep it for situations like this to the tractor battery. I'm going to go ahead and start the tractor, and I'm going to fill up this little air compressor. You really should have a bigger one for this because you need air volume, but this is all I got. So I'm going to fill it up with air, plug it in, and fill the tire. Reminds me, I got to tighten that down. Yeah. I had to add a third strap on, but now it's sealing. It looks like it. This side just needs to pop. And I can see air is coming out. Hopefully once this gets up a little bit more, one more blast should finish sealing that. I can see right here. And it's starting to move. See it? Go 34 psi. Took forever with this little thing, but it's full. It doesn't appear to be leaking. Took a whole afternoon.